Hi, I'm Riya, a certified yoga therapist at Savant Care. A lot of people ask me, what is trauma-informed yoga therapy and why does a psychiatry practice offer it? Here's the simple version. When you're dealing with anxiety, depression, or trauma, it doesn't just live in your mind, your body holds onto it too. Tight shoulders, shallow breathing, trouble sleeping. Your nervous system gets stuck in overdrive. Trauma-informed yoga therapy works directly with your nervous system to help release that tension. Let me show you what that looks like. We start with breathwork. This type of breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which is your body's built-in calm-down system. Then we release the areas where stress builds up most. Neck, shoulders, jaw. Gentle spinal movements help reset your nervous system and bring you back into your body. And we always finish by grounding, just arriving in the present moment. That's it. It's gentle, it's guided, and at Savant Care, every patient gets access to clinical trauma-informed yoga sessions at no extra cost. It's part of your care, not an add-on. You don't need any yoga experience, you just need to show up.